Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Now that we have found out our niche and keywords to rank and affiliate networks to join for our affiliate products, it's time to start building our affiliate marketing website, write some articles and promote affiliate products. We are going to create our website using WordPress. Now WordPress is a great software to build websites. Its backend is awesome and easily customizable. Around 30% of websites in the world are hosted using WordPress website, especially affiliate and blog websites, and so we are going to go ahead with WordPress.com. Now to host our website we need to buy hosting and domain. I personally recommend Bluehost hosting, as Bluehost is the #1 recommended hosting provider by WordPress itself. I personally host all my website on Bluehost. Their support and backend is very good and I have never received any problem from them since last 4 years of hosting all my websites on with them. Also, I would like you to know that I am an affiliate with Bluehost, and if you are willing to buy Bluehost hosting from my affiliate link, I will receive a small commission from them without any additional cost on you. However, if you buy Bluehost hosting from our affiliate link, I will provide you with a premium WordPress theme, that is GeneratePress. GeneratePress is the best theme used by affiliates and bloggers all around the world. I also use these themes on my blog and website. Although the basic theme is free, but the premium functionalities, as we are looking here, like site library, colors, typography, WooCommerce and all, especially the site library we will see when we will set up our website, is awesome. And all these functionalities come in the premium theme, which is a paid version, which costs around $49.95. You can see all these premium features comes, all premium modules comes in $49.95, and it has unlimited websites. This premium theme along with all premium features will give your website a great look, and which will in turn increase your conversion of your traffic on your website, thereby increasing our affiliate commission. Now this theme I have bought is for unlimited website, and I am going to give you this premium theme for free if you buy Bluehost hosting through our affiliate link. We are also providing you with a premium WordPress plugin known as WP Rocket. We all know that when it comes to online business, the speed of a website matters the most. If your website does not load quickly, it will result in higher bouncing rate, thereby reducing the ranking on Google, and which will result in less traffic and less affiliate commission. This plugin will give your website a lightning speed, and it also costs around $49, but we have purchased the unlimited website version of the same, which is $249, and we are giving away this WP Rocket plugin for free. So you can use this plugin on unlimited website. The basic one version costs around $49, but we are giving away this and the GeneratePress theme for free. Also, along with these two premium theme and plugin, we will provide you with $100 worth of digital marketing courses for free. It would include secrets on driving huge traffic to your website in a less amount of time. Also, it includes modules on paid advertising, which will boost your website traffic in future. These secrets will help you to increase traffic on your website instantly, and we are giving away these courses for free. All you have to do is just buy the 12-month Bluehost hosting through our affiliate link, which is provided in the resource section, and send us the payment receipt of the same on info@affiliatetraining.co. We have mentioned the affiliate link and the email ID in the resource section to ignore any typing error. Just send us the proof of the payment and we will mail you the $200 worth of bonuses instantly in reply to your mail. Also, you will be added to our email list, and we will provide you with monthly support on how to increase traffic and promote affiliate offers on your website. We will regularly send you any premium resources, plugins and theme we have bought, and monthly we will provide you different premium courses which will help you succeed in the affiliate marketing business, and all this for free. We will not charge anything from you. We will provide you premium plugins that will help you promote your affiliate marketing business, and also premium different digital marketing courses on how to drive different traffic and digital marketing secrets, all this on a monthly basis for free if you buy the 12-month hosting plan on Bluehost through our affiliate link. So if you are interested then to buy the Bluehost hosting through our affiliate link, we have mentioned the link and the email ID in the description. So you can check this out and buy the hosting and support us to provide you more services and resources and tutorials every month for free. Now in the next lecture we are going to buy the domain and the hosting from Bluehost and also start developing our own website on the Bluehost hosting. Thank you.